Today, I am making one of Italy's most famous pasta dishes. Wow, it looks so good!
First, I am going to add the cooked spaghetti to the bowl.
I only need spaghetti, eggs, Parmesan cheese, and plenty of black pepper. Now comes the magic. Parmesan and egg create that creamy carbonara texture.
And of course, a generous little sprinkle of black pepper makes it perfect.
Look at that creamy, cheesy spaghetti. Our little chef absolutely nailed it.
Creamy, cheesy, and delicious. Would you try this baby chef's carbonara?
Try this recipe at home and like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.